Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is peace. You've done everything up to this point that Spirit has asked you. Therefore, they're saying, peace be unto your soul. Let us do our thing. And then we're going to make sure we shift it back into your hands. And then we're back on the move. But right now, I need you to be peaceful. Enjoy your favorite beverage, food, your favorite activity. Do not worry. Do not be anxious. Do not have anxiety or depression. You're in the right place at the right time. And thank you for doing your part. I'm unwavering in the face of fear, and I come to my senses and embrace challenge. You've met the challenge, therefore it's time to upgrade. I'm determined to think with gentleness and calm. I find inner silence, and I become the manifestation of peace. Things happen when you do not take full control. When you're not in control, you're in full control. So continue to move forward, but don't worry about things happening the way that you want it to happen, to the T, to the final ends, to the punctuation. Just make sure you continue to put in that rightful work, and everything shall always fall into place. Be peaceful. You're in the right place at the right time. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.